Hello everyone, in front of me is iPad Air 11 and let me show you how to set weather wallpaper. First of all, open the settings, then find and select wallpaper, mark add new wallpaper, and here mark weather. Here customize the location setup. Okay, so here we've got it, and you can either add it here for both home and lock screen by tapping on set as wallpaper pair, or you can customize your home screen separately. You can either add color, gradient, you can add some different photo, or you can blur the main screen if you want. Click on done to save it, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.